This little bottle claims to extend your engine's life. But what if I told you it might actually be killing it? More than 60% of engine failures are caused by bad lubrication, and some of the oil additives on store shelves today are doing far more harm than good. They promise smoother rides, more horsepower, and longer engine life, but many are silent saboteurs. In this video, I'm exposing 4 oil additives that could be secretly damaging your engine. Stay with me, because what you don't know can cost you thousands. Segment 1. Chlorinated additives. Corrosion from within. First up, chlorinated additives. They sound scientific. They sound powerful. But under heat and pressure, they break down and release a hydrochloric acid. Yes, acid. Inside your engine. That acid eats metal, damages seals, and creates oil leaks. In humid environments, the damage spreads even faster. Before you know it, reduced efficiency, overheating, and total engine failure. So unless you're trying to turn your engine into a middle school science experiment, skip the chlorinated stuff. Segment 2. PTFE/Teflon. The clog creator. Next, Teflon, also known as PTFE, is the stuff on non-stick pans. And for some reason, people are pouring it into their engines. It doesn't dissolve in oil. Instead, it settles, clogs oil passages, and chokes your oil pump. That means overheating, poor lubrication, and long-term wear. Ironically, an additive meant to reduce friction ends up increasing it. Segment 3. ZDDP overload. Good additive gone bad. ZDDP, a mix of zinc and phosphorus, is great for older engines. But pour too much into a modern engine, and you're asking for trouble. You get sludge buildup, blocked oil channels, and it can damage your catalytic converter, which costs big bucks to replace. More isn't better when it comes to engine chemistry. It's just expensive. Segment 4. Solvent-based additives. The dirty cleanse. Some additives claim to flush your engine clean using solvents like kerosene or diesel fuel. Here's the catch. They strip away your engine's protective oil film and break sludge loose all at once. That debris, it can clog vital passages and starve your engine of oil. In older engines, this kind of flush can cause sudden, catastrophic failure. Here's the truth. There are no shortcuts when it comes to engine care. Many of these additives are band-aids that create bigger wounds. If this helped you avoid an expensive mistake, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves their ride as much as you do. Subscribe for more tips that protect your car and your wallet, because here at Auto Repair, we believe you deserve to drive with confidence, not worry. And hey, ever fallen for a bad additive before? Drop your story in the comments. I read every single one.